My azaleas are blooming this year. Last year they didn't bloom much because the cold got the blooms. And then we had a terrible rainstorm and it beat the rest of the blooms off. And this is actually the first time they've bloomed in a couple of years. The cold didn't get them this year. You don't realize the little things that people do for you until that people's not here anymore. I kept trying to figure out, why is my gas can empty? Yeah, he did that. And I have 3 weed eaters right here, and I have 1 in the garage. And he had, not long before he passed away, he had got all of them running, and I got 1 that I can crank. Both of those there have some serious, what carburetor they probably actually have, you know, some cheap. Anyway, I can't keep them running, so they're going in the garbage. I can keep the Stihl running. That's the only one. And my Echo, it will run, but the dealer over there had sold us the wrong head on it twice, and I am going to take that over there to him and measure and see if I can get them to work on it, because I really don't want to get rid of that. I don't want to buy a new one. Not if I can get that one running, because it's been a really good weed eater. Okay, I've been working down here in this for about a week. And that pile of sticks up there, that's my 3rd pile. And we're under a burn ban. And I can't burn, so I really don't want to get that pile any bigger. It's going to be hot enough as it is when I do light it. But Brad's fence held up, even with all the monsoons we had. And I only had 1 limb fall on the fence, but it didn't put a dent in it. And it was pretty bad down here. I still have a few more limbs that are probably gonna fall. And this end looked like this when I started. I'm not watching where I'm walking, and I just know I'm gonna step on a snake. This is snake territory down here. But anyway, this is what it looked like when I started. So I am making progress, one day at a time. And most of this, well, you know, all these hills and all, I can't mow. I have to weed eat. So I will be probably weed eating right up to fall, because it never ends. But I just wanted to show you Brad's fence. It's still up. The hard part is gonna be when I get caught up on this side, I'm gonna have to go on the other side and start weed eating and cleaning up. Just a few days before Brad died, I was getting out here and I was cutting the wild privet, and when he died I just stopped, and I gotta start that back up, because they will just absolutely take over. Okay guys, just thought I'd check in and show you the Ponderosa. Love you, bye. I'm getting there. Oh, and the next time I have something I can't crank, I'm gonna do a video about it, because that one up there on the hill, I thought I'd pull on it a couple more times before I put it in the junk pile, and it cranked right up. So there you go.